Hi everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you maize vada or maize garelu or maize snack and dosa. So these two are very traditional, but the maize garelu is very popular in South India. Most of them during the season they do this, and they even fry in the ghee also. So I'm going to do with less oil, that is little bit variation in this, which is more healthier version. As maize which was countryside, that is better, but now everybody is doing sweet corn ones. Sweet corns are not that healthy because it is genetically modified, but we can just do something similar ones. But thing is, like, how to do the process is very important, and these are very tender, and to take them out from the cob is also a difficult process. So I'm going to show you how to make it easier. So let's see how to do this recipe. Join me. So traditionally they break into half, and at the edge side they take this out like this. But when it is not tender, when it is little bit this type, then you can do it, but still, like, some of them doesn't come. This is good, but see here the milk is coming out of it, the corn milk, so this doesn't come out well. So how many we could take that out? That we have taken out. Now I'm going to show you how to take these out. Still it works. Yeah, this works better. So these, after cutting from the cob, this is how it looks, and you can still see there is some milk, corn milk. This is just to show, I just kept this. So with the hand this is not possible, that's the reason the tender ones I have to cut them, but this works. I have added all the corns to the blending jar, and I'm going to add some onions. Actually this is one onion, so half onion I'm saving for next round. So I'm adding full jaggery because that one I'm going to add into this. That's the reason all the ingredients I'm adding to this. I've added 2 red chilies and 3/4 spoon. This is big spoon, so you can say 1 spoon red chili powder and 1 spoon salt and half spoon jeera, and I'm going to blend them. These are fresh cut flowers, dahlia flowers, different kinds. So these are given by my friend Shri. Thank you for them. And this is taro leaf from my backyard. Just to give that green in this color, I've just added 1 leaf. So this is the beautiful fresh flowers. So this will stay at least for a week. I just love the fresh flowers, that's the reason I got some from her. So just I'm adding few coriander leaves, just chopping them. Very few, this is only for just garnishing like. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to mix it well. So traditionally they fry this in the oil, so I'm not going to deep fry it. That's the reason I've come up with a solution to do pan fry or panaram, using panaram. It's going to get a little bit shape, not exactly what we really do it, but it's close to that. And also I'm heating up even that tawa. This is cast iron tawa. I'm just going to add little oil to panaram. and using spoon I'm going to drop batter into the paniyara. So I'm going to cover with the lid. So if you think that your batter is loose, then you can add little bit chena besan into this, chena flour or besan. So you can add, and you can make it thicker consistency, but for dosa and for this one, this is good enough. But if you're deep frying, then if the consistency is loose like this, then it is going to absorb a lot of oil. So that's the reason you have to thicken it with using besan or chickpea flour. So for those I'm just going to add a few drops of oil and just spread it. So here we don't have to do very thin dosas, just moderate thickness is good. So drop a ladle full of batter and just spread it. And I'm going to wait for some time. I'm feeling the batter to be loose little bit. I didn't add any water, this is just corn milk. So I'm just adding little bit besan. So I had to cover this. This is how it looks. So my batter was very thinny, so I had to add even rice flour to that. And jaggery is not really needed because these corns are really sweet, so you can use it optional or reduce the quantity of jaggery. So this is how it looks. Let me taste and let you know. It's too hard. It tastes too good. So I'm going to try one more kind, like the deep fried, the same similar shape I'm going to try. Just like patties, drop some batter. So I have to make this thicker consistency by adding some rice flour. I've added half cup rice flour and quarter cup besan. Just make small tiny hole in this and drop some oil. This is the traditionally they do deep fry like this and cover with the lid. So I'm going to turn it. These are done. So I'm going to do one more batch. For full recipe, look into the description box below, and if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. See you with next video. Until then, bye.